So this here is section number 1, which it has almost like the 3D fencing. This is basically not electrified, and this is just the ribbon that you can use for electric fencing. I chose not to electrify it, long story. But using that and this trellis netting, which is just made out of cloth or rope, has proven to be a very good deterrent for the deers, to keep the deer out. So this section is doing really well so far. The deer haven't gotten in. This is all landscape fabric. Everybody is planted 2 feet apart, and the rows are 8 feet apart. And we have seen a few weeds. Japanese beetles seem to enjoy the plants, but you can see there's a little damage, but not enough to be damaging to the plant. You see there's a weed growing through there, one of those viney weeds. It's a type of morning glory. I can't remember the name. But all in all, this is effective too if you have high deer pressure in keeping the deer out and letting your plants, your hibiscus plants, grow to their maximum. And once again, I don't use any fertilizer or any herbicides for weed suppression, which I really wish I did sometimes. But we prefer not to because we have honeybees next door on our lot. So we don't want to introduce any chemicals. And we also utilize this space as a pollinator habitat. So I do like the trellis fencing. Lightweight, easy to handle, very inexpensive. Using T-posts, which if you get the T-post driver, it works really well. I wanted to extend it up higher, so I just zip tied PVC poles and was able to bring the wire up higher. I actually used 2 rows of it because I think they only sell it at a 5-foot height. At least I didn't see the 8-foot height. And then this outer perimeter of just the simple ribbon seems to keep the deer from trying to make their way in here. So that's it for tour of section number 1.